Hi everyone, welcome to Teacher Shirley channel. Remember to click subscribe at the end of my channel to get more videos. Okay, let's learn. Today our title will be about Unit 2 Language Awareness. Was over, could or couldn't. By the end of the lesson, pupils are able to fill in the blanks with was or were, fill in the blanks with could or couldn't. Complete a dialogue with couldn't, could or couldn't. Okay, was or were. What is the difference? Was, were. Okay, was or were are past tense. Okay, was is used by singular subjects. He, she, it. Were and also I. Were is used by plural subjects. You, we, they. Okay, affirmative. You can see I, he, she, it. Okay, all these subjects use was. I was happy. He was hungry. She was a nurse. It was big. Okay, as for plural subjects, we, you, they use were. We were early. You were at school. They were quiet. Okay, in the negative form, I was happy becomes I wasn't sad. I wasn't happy. Okay, he wasn't thirsty. She wasn't a teacher. It wasn't small. Wasn't is the short form for was not. Okay, we weren't loud. You weren't at home. They weren't noisy. Weren't is the short form for were not. Okay, how about forming questions? How do we form questions using was or were? Okay, in the sentence, the statement form, they were happy. When we change it into question, we put the word in the front. Were they happy? She was rich. We put the was in the front. Was she rich? The short answer, yes, they were. No, they weren't. Yes, she was. No, she wasn't. Okay, when we are forming WH word, we will put WH word in the front. Where was? Okay, where was I? Okay, where was he, she, it? Okay, why was I tired? Why was he ready? Okay, when was she ready? Okay, for were, we will use it with we, you, or they. Okay, why was he angry? Where were you yesterday? When was she nervous? Who were those people? Okay, so when we are forming questions, we will put was or were in the front. When we are forming WH question, we put WH word in the front, followed by was or were, subject, and also complement. Okay, in the negative form, I wasn't, you weren't, he wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, we won't, you won't, they won't. Okay, in the interrogative form, was I, were you, was she, was he, was it. Okay, were we, were you, were they. Okay, now let's look at the exercise here. Okay, fill in the blanks with am, are, is, was, were. So for today, we will use am, are, is. For yesterday, we will use was or were. This is affirmative, positive form. This is negative form. Okay, so do you still remember who used am? I am, are, you are, we are, they are, is, he is, she is, it is. Okay, what is for singular subjects? I, he, she, it. Okay, were is the past tense for are. You were, we were, they were. Okay, so now let's look at the sentences here. What is the answer? Okay, affirmative form. I am tired. I am hungry. You are nice. He is funny. She is 8 years old. We are late. They are at school. I am at the cinema. You are at the supermarket. She is at home. Okay, in the negative form, okay, we aren't sad. They aren't happy. The table isn't red. I am tall. She isn't short. We aren't at the airport. They aren't strong. He isn't fast. I am at the bus station. Okay, for yesterday, past tense, okay, we will use either was or were. So I was tired, I was hungry, you were nice, he was funny, she was 8 years old, we were late, they were at school, I was at the cinema. You were at the supermarket, she was at home. Okay, for the negative form, we aren't sad, they aren't happy. The table isn't red. I am tall. She okay. We need to change it into yesterday, past tense. We weren't sad. They weren't happy. The table wasn't red. I am tall. She wasn't short. We weren't at the airport. They weren't strong. He wasn't fast. I am at the bus station. Okay, so these are the answers. Okay, now fill in the blanks with could or couldn't. Okay, could or couldn't is to show ability. Could means something that you can do. Couldn't means things that you cannot do. I could draw a picture when I was 3 years old. Ini tunjukkan kebolehan dia untuk buat sesuatu benda. Saya boleh melukis semasa saya berumur 3 tahun. I couldn't, saya tak boleh. Okay, saya tak boleh. I couldn't write when I was a baby. Okay, so couldn't is the short form for could not. Okay, now complete the following sentences using could or couldn't. Okay, let's try. Okay, I dressed myself when I was a baby. Do you think a baby can dress himself? Adakah baby boleh pakai baju sendiri? Boleh tak? Tak boleh kan? So, number one, I could dress myself when I was a baby. Okay, I couldn't dress myself. Okay, number two, Peter do his homework yesterday because he was sick. Okay, Peter could do or couldn't do? Couldn't do his homework yesterday because he was sick. Okay, number three, I watched the TV last night because I had no homework. I could watch the TV last night. Okay, I had no homework, so I watched the TV. Okay, we go to the beach last Saturday because it was raining. So we couldn't go to the beach last Saturday because it was raining. Okay, I made my own lunch when I was 12 years old. I could make my own lunch when I was 12 years old. They find the rabbit because it was hiding behind the tree. Okay, they couldn't find the rabbit because it was hiding behind the tree. Okay, we answer all the questions in the exam because we have studied very hard. We could answer all the questions in the exam because I studied very hard. Okay, let's look at this exercise. The answers are given. Okay, it's in your pause too. Okay, study the table, copy and complete 1 to 3 with was, wasn't, and were. Okay, he was a student in Madrid. Many infants were for teenagers because you could only use the answer was, wasn't, and were. Okay, in the negative form, it a good play. Okay, it wasn't a good play. Okay, they were from Scotland. Okay, for the question, okay, number 3, was I, he, she, it a famous actor? Okay, were we, you, they in the show? So answers, no, I, he, she, it wasn't. Yes, we, you, they were. Okay, now we fill in the blanks using could or couldn't. Okay, study the table, choose the correct words to complete the rules. Okay, you could watch a non-performance. They couldn't perform at that festival. Okay, could she sing? Yes, she could. No, she couldn't. Okay, number one, the form of the main verb follows could. Okay, so after could, we will use infinitive or past simple. The answer is infinitive. Infinitive means no s, no ed, no ing. Okay, we use could and couldn't to talk about ability and possibility in the past. Okay, the present tense is can and can't. Okay, complete the conversations with could or couldn't. Okay, this one is also taken from Pause 2. Okay, was the play good last night? Yes, but I couldn't see very well. We couldn't get seats near the front. Could you understand it though? I think Shakespeare's difficult. Yes, we could. This play was in modern English, so we could easily follow it. Okay, so these are the exercises that we'll discuss today to get the answers. I hope everyone has learned how to use was, were, could, and couldn't. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson. Bye. See you again.